Awning windows are a popular choice for Dallas homeowners thanks to their ability to provide ventilation, energy efficiency, and protection from the elements. However, the performance of these windows depends heavily on one critical factor: professional installation. Even the highest quality awning windows can fall short if they are not installed correctly. In a climate like Dallas, where heat, storms, and temperature swings are common, proper installation makes all the difference. One of the most important ways professional installation impacts awning windows is through proper sealing. Awning windows are designed to close tightly against the frame, creating a strong barrier against outside air and moisture. If the installation is not precise, gaps can form around the edges. In Dallas, this can allow hot air to enter during summer months, making it harder to keep your home cool. Professional installers use the right materials and techniques to ensure a tight seal, helping maintain a consistent indoor temperature and improving overall energy efficiency. Alignment is another critical factor. Awning windows rely on a specific angle and fit to operate smoothly. If the window is not installed level and square, it may not open or close properly. This can lead to uneven pressure on the hinges and hardware, causing premature wear. In some cases, it can even prevent the window from sealing correctly. Professional installation ensures that every component is aligned perfectly, allowing the window to function as intended. Dallas weather also brings occasional heavy rain and storms, making water resistance essential. Awning windows are known for their ability to remain open during light rain, but this feature only works if they are installed correctly. Improper installation can lead to water intrusion around the frame, which may cause damage to surrounding materials over time. Professionals ensure that flashing, sealants, and insulation are applied properly, creating a barrier that protects your home from moisture. Energy efficiency is another area where installation plays a major role. Modern awning windows are designed with insulated glass and advanced materials that help reduce heat transfer. However, these benefits can be compromised if there are gaps or poor insulation around the frame. In Dallas, where air conditioning is essential for much of the year, even small inefficiencies can lead to higher energy bills. Professional installation ensures that the window performs at its full potential, helping you save on energy costs while maintaining comfort. Ventilation is one of the key advantages of awning windows, and proper installation enhances this benefit. When installed correctly, these windows open smoothly and allow fresh air to flow into your home. This is especially useful during cooler mornings or evenings in Dallas, when natural ventilation can reduce the need for air conditioning. A poorly installed window, on the other hand, may not open fully or may be difficult to operate, limiting its effectiveness. Durability is also closely tied to installation quality. Awning windows are built to last, but improper installation can shorten their lifespan. Misalignment, poor sealing, or inadequate support can lead to issues such as warping, hardware failure, or frame damage. Professional installers ensure that the window is securely fitted and properly supported, allowing it to withstand Dallas's changing weather conditions over time. Another benefit of professional installation is improved security. Awning windows include locking mechanisms that are designed to keep your home safe. If the window is not installed correctly, these locks may not align properly, reducing their effectiveness. A professionally installed window ensures that all security features work as intended, providing peace of mind for homeowners. In addition to performance benefits, professional installation also contributes to the overall appearance of your windows. Clean lines, proper spacing, and a secure fit create a polished look that enhances both the interior and exterior of your home. In Dallas neighborhoods, where curb appeal is important, this attention to detail adds value to your property. Finally, professional installation helps protect your investment. Many window manufacturers require proper installation for warranties to remain valid. By working with experienced installers, you ensure that your awning windows are covered and supported for the long term. In the end, Professional installation has a direct impact on how awning windows perform in Dallas homes. From sealing and alignment to energy efficiency and durability, every detail matters. By choosing expert installation, homeowners can enjoy the full benefits of their windows: improved comfort, better performance, and lasting value.